Welcome to your dream condo in Mount Prospect, Illinois. This stunning one-bedroom, one-bath gem at Crystal Towers Condominiums is ready to welcome you home. This condo offers the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and style. Step inside and be greeted by a beautifully updated space featuring stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and elegant marble tile in the bathroom. The open floor plan seamlessly connects the living room, dining area, and kitchen, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Enjoy peace of mind with the new furnace and air conditioning system installed in 2024, ensuring year-round comfort. This gated community offers fantastic amenities, including a remodeled party room, newly paved walking trail, tennis and basketball courts, and a heated garage space. Relax on your private balcony and soak in the serene views. With a nighttime security guard and ample guest parking, you'll feel safe and secure. Recent building updates include newer elevators, newly resurfaced concrete patios, and newer security cameras. You're just minutes from shopping, dining, and entertainment, with easy access to transportation. There is a large, newly carpeted bedroom with an awesome walk-in closet. Located in a desirable community with top-rated schools like John Jay Elementary, Holmes Junior High, and Rolling Meadows High School. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own a piece of paradise in Mount Prospect. You can schedule your showing today.